Hi everyone, it is my pleasure to introduce you to the course SEC 303, a 3-credit unit course for students enrolled in Computer Science Education program at Ahmadu Bello University. As for the course objectives, the objective of the course is twofold. One is to provide an overview and understanding of the principles, theories, and practices of teaching computer science in Nigeria secondary school. The second objective is to equip students with the knowledge and skills related to teaching computer science in Nigerian secondary school. As for the learning outcomes, by the end of this course, students should be able to explain the theoretical foundations of teaching computer science in Nigerian secondary schools. You should be able to reflect on the principles and practices of teaching computer science in Nigeria secondary school. You should be able to analyze different methods of teaching computer science, including their affordances and constraints in Nigerian schools. You should be able to prepare a well-organized and summarized multimedia presentation on an assigned topic in the computer science curriculum for secondary school. And lastly, you should be able to discuss current practices of assessing computer science in Nigerian secondary schools. For the course outline, we shall have a week of lecture on preparing to teach computer science, another week on levels of thinking about teaching, another week on theoretical basis of student learning, another week on teaching methods and approaches to learning, and another week on assessment in computer science education. Then there will be some weeks for students' presentation of term papers. We are going to rely on the textbook Teaching for Quality Learning at University by Biggs and colleague, and I will also provide you with some lecture notes. However, this lecture note will not be in hard copy. Instead, I will post the lecture note on the university Moodle, an interactive online learning platform through which you can download it and use it for the lessons. Then the assessment will be in 3 parts. The first part will be 10% of paper presentation. The second part will be 30% of video lecture presentation on an assigned topic. Okay, and the last part will be 60% of final exam. The lecture timetable will be this way. We have the lecture every Wednesday from 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. Okay, and the venue will be the Blue Lecture Theatre in the Faculty of Education. At the moment, there is no provision for online attendance of the classes. In the future, we can consider blended learning or flipped classroom as the case may be. And lastly, my consulting hour will be every Thursday from 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. You can get me in my office, but if you want to come outside of this time range, you can send an email for an appointment. Okay? See you in class.